Do you feel like the holidays are a crazy time for you to be thinking about planning the next year? So do I. That's why I always do my annual goal setting and planning for stagers and designers calendar workshop after the new year, because I want you to just enjoy, soak in the holiday season, have a wonderful Christmas, enjoy time with family, and thinking of all the wonderful things to be grateful for this past year and to look forward to the next year. But also, I hope you can join me in my next workshop after you've had just this most spectacular holiday ever. Let's go brass tacks. We're gonna create a very step-by-step structured plan so that you're gonna slay the next year. Are you ready? So sign up to join me now. That's all I want you to do. I want you to just have a wonderful, wonderful holiday. Wishing you from HSR, me to you. And I'll see you in the next year.